Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Temu affiliate program for Pinterest. So it's a very easy process. What you do is firstly open Temu. Now in Temu the first thing that you do is create an account. Then just go to the footer of the page. So just scroll down till the very bottom and right over here you should find a lot of options. And among all the options, just try to see if there is any option of affiliate marketing or affiliate products. Or just affiliate. Just see if it is available or not. And if you're unable to find it, that's not a problem. All you have to do is open a new tab and just simply search for Temu affiliate. Then just simply open the first link right over here. Now, once you open that particular link, you will be seeing this page over here. All you have to do is click on Get Started right over here. You can see the commission pricing and how to do and how to sell and everything. You will be able to see all the details on this page, as you can see. So all you will do is just simply click on join now or start now at the very top, depending on what you want. So choose this option. Then just simply continue with your Google account. Then just simply quickly sign in. Now wait for a few seconds. Then once the sign-in process is complete, you will be able to get the affiliate link of any products on Temu. Now, once you have that, you have to choose a good product from Temu. So let's say for example, you want to sell a particular dress, maybe this one. Just choose this option. Or perhaps this one right over here. Now just open a notepad somewhere because you will be copying down all the description and titles in this particular product. As you can see, these titles that I am talking about. Copy the title, copy the colors, copy the sizing and all the details in the description as well. Just copy all of that because it will be necessary for using it for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And make sure to get the images as well. Now, once you will have all of that, just keep that in a folder and open Pinterest. Now, what you do is open Pinterest and then just create a free account. It's totally up to you. Now, once you will do that, you have to just simply go to the creation page of your Pinterest. So click on this option, then click on create pin right over here. Now, if you want to run paid advertisements, you can choose paid pin right over here. But in this video, I'm going to only show you how to do this for free. So just click on create pin. Now once you will do that, as you can see, you will have a title option, description option, link option and board option. Now, firstly add an image. For the image, you can just simply take the image from over here, but make sure to save the image first. So click on save as, then save the image somewhere, go back to Pinterest, click on this arrow option, pick the image like this. And now you have your image. Now, you can add multiple images just like over here and add the title. So copy and paste the title over here as well. But the title is too big, so add that in the description and add a small title in the top. Something like this. Now, in the link section, you have to add the link of your Temu affiliate product link that you will get from the product that you are selling right over here. This one. So let's assume this is the affiliate link that you will get. Paste it right over here. And in the board, just create a new board if you want to, or just add this to existing board. It is totally up to you. Then add tags over here. So for getting tags, all you have to do is go to your ChatGPT. So open the ChatGPT right over here and make sure to copy this title. Then in ChatGPT, make sure that you have a tool called AIPRM because it is necessary for generating good tags. So the AIPRM chatbot will look something like this. You can get the extension in Google Chrome Web Store. It's totally free. So what you have to do is you have to just simply search for tags. Then just simply click on this option right over here and paste your title right over here. Then hit enter. And now ChatGPT should give you some tags, as you can see right over here. So depending on what you want, choose any of the tags. You will be able to see they are in different formats. So just choose whatever you want. So let's say for example, you choose these ones over here, copy it, go to Pinterest, paste it. So after doing all of that, click on publish right over here, and then just simply keep on posting videos and images of different products or the same product depending on what you want, at least 3 to 4 times a day, and within 3 to 4 months, if you are consistent, you should be able to start seeing progress. So that's it, and if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.